Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about something new in hair transplant technology, FUE hair transplant with lab-grown diamond blades. You may have already heard about Sapphire blades in hair transplantation, but now a new generation of surgical tools is being introduced. CVD lab-grown diamond blades, developed in collaboration with Epsilon Enterprise, a company known for advanced engineering and material research. In this video, we'll answer the most common questions about this technique. A lab-grown diamond hair transplant refers to the surgical blade used during the FUE procedure. In modern FUE hair transplant surgery, surgeons create tiny channels in the scalp where hair grafts are placed. The precision of the blades used for this micro-incision plays a big role in the quality of the procedure. With this method, those channels are created using a CVD lab-grown diamond blade instead of steel or sapphire. Diamond is the hardest material on the most hardness scale, which allows the blade to maintain extremely sharp edges for much longer time. For many years, sapphire blades have been considered the gold standard in hair transplant surgery. They're sharper and more durable than traditional steel blades. However, lab-grown diamond technology pushes this precision even further. Independent testing has shown that diamond blades can remain sharp up to 15 times longer than sapphire blade during repeated incision. In practical terms, this can mean cleaner micro-incisions, more consistent channels, reduced trauma during surgery, and more predictable graft placement. The procedure itself is still FUE, follicle unit extraction. These steps are the same. Hair follicles are extracted from the donor area. Tiny channels are created in the recipient area. The grafts are placed into those channels. The difference is the precision of the surgical instrument used during the channel opening. With a lab-grown diamond blade, the edges can reach extremely fine microscopic levels, allowing surgeons to create very controlled microchannels in the scalp. This technology comes from a collaboration between Vera and Epsilon Enterprise. Epsilon works in advanced fields such as aerospace engineering, optics, and material science, and together the teams adopt CVD diamond technology for surgical use. The result is a surgical instrument called the Vector-10 diamond blade, designed specifically for hair transplant procedures. The main goal of using diamond blade is precision and consistency during surgery. Because the blade maintains its sharpness for a long time, surgeons can create very consistent incisions through the procedure. So the focus here is not marketing hype. It's about refining surgical tools for more controlled procedures. From the patient's perspective, the experience is very similar to the standard FUE hair transplant. You still have local anesthesia, follicle extraction, channel opening, graft implantation. The difference happens at the microscopic level of the surgical tool used. Hair transplant technology keeps evolving, from steel blade to sapphire and now to lab-grown diamond surgical instrument. The goal is always the same: improving precision and consistency in hair restoration.